Yo, what is going on, guys? This is going to be IRL video number 2. Very recent back-to-back type stuff. It's going to be how to wash your car. This might seem as like a very simple thing, but you mess up on a few things, you could end up with some scratches, some swirl marks, some garbage. You could end up ruining your car if you're not thinking straight. Like, you go to some other car wash and all that, they just mess up your car. You want to do it yourself. Step 1, very crucial. You can't pass up on this. You need microfiber towels. If you do not have microfiber towels, don't even think about washing your car, because without microfiber towels, they're going to get scratched. You can take a peek at these. These are, oh god, here they're on the sun. But you can tell if it's microfiber. It has a different feeling to it than like an average rag. But as we get into this, the second step is going to be picking out your soap. You don't want to be, you don't want to go out there and get that Dawn dish soap and destroy your car with that. You want to go out to AutoZone, get something that got the Wash and Wax Ultra Shine, actually meant for your car. Don't be slapping on like body soap on your car. Like, that ain't gonna work. So first things first, if I'm gonna give it to you guys straight, you want to be in like after, like a little bit towards the nighttime, or on a day it's a little cloudy, because you don't want your cars to dry really fast once you get them wet for the first time and you get water marks on them. But first things first, you want to have 2 buckets. One bucket's going to be the rinse bucket, one bucket's going to be the soap bucket. So here we go as we get on into this. Oh geez. Oh, open this up. This one's going to be the soap bucket over here. I'm pouring all this soap in there. All that soap. That's about good enough soap. You got to get some water in that. And he's going to be out here putting some water in that. You fill that thing up. It's it comes on the bottle like 1 part like water, like 5 parts water, 1 part soap, something like that. But it really doesn't matter. We'll come back to you once these buckets are filled. First things first, you got the buckets filled. You got your soap bucket and your rinse bucket. Once you have your microfiber towels, the golden rule of microfiber towels is, if you drop them on the ground, leave them there, do not pick them up. They will attract a bunch of garbage off the ground and you're going to scratch your car. Don't do that. So the first step is, when you're about to go wash your car, you want to get it wet. This is one of the reasons why you don't do it in the middle of the daytime, or you put it in the shade a little bit, because this water will dry really quick and you get water spots on your car. So, you know, just give it a little spray down. Just a little nice little rinse. Get that and make sure that's on everything. Will come back to you once it's all rinsed off. It's actually time to get the wash going on. Take your microfiber towel, want to get it into the soap bucket. Oh yeah. Have this microfiber towel. She's a little wet. She's a little wet. You want to go from top down on your car. I'm going to start at the roof. The way you want to do this, you want to go back and forth. You don't want to go any like circular motions, because it could create swirl marks. So you got to be going back and forth or in one direction, just to make sure that you're not going to put any damage to your car. You're not going to damage anything. You just want to start from the top. Every once in a while, once you get a couple rubs in, you come over here to the wash bucket, rinse it out, rinse off that dirt, all that, come back into the soap bucket, pick up some more soap, and give it a good old scrub down, make it shine in the daytime. So, yeah, you pretty much go through the whole car like this. He's over there starting on his, giving the good old rinse down, step number 1. Oh. So, yeah, you just always practice these key tips. 2 buckets. Microfiber towel. Make sure you do not go swirly motion. You will get swirl marks. You gotta keep cars nice. Keep them very nice and very clean. They will last a very long time. Alrighty, I'll catch you back. Alrighty, after you're done washing it down, we're gonna just give it a little extra spritz. Give any extra little debris or anything that you might have missed. Get it all down. A little spot for your rinse. All like that. Woo! Looking shiny. You got the wax on, wax off. He's over there scrubbing it down. Got the microfiber towel as always. Don't be afraid to use more than 1 microfiber towel. You could use 2 or 3 if a bunch of dirt particles collect on there. You get a very nice clean on your car if it's a nice car. Like these cars, these are some nice cars, so we're not going to ruin them. We're not going to do anything stupid. We're just out here doing it. Look at that shimmer right there. Got that shimmer. We're about to go get the dry off motion right now. So I bet you could have guessed this. Dry off, microfiber towel. Only way to do it. You want to use like an actual like bath towel, you're gonna ruin your car. So going in there, same as before. Back and forth motionless. You gotta get in there that little like straight ahead. Look at that shimmer we got on there. Some nice shimmer. I'll come back to you once she's all dried out. We're completely dry now. Microfiber towels have dried the car just how it's supposed to be. Got a little water droplets down there. The reason why you want to keep wetting your car before you can actually dry it with the towel, because you will get water spots, and those are very, very, very bad. He's out there working on the rims right now, man. That's gonna be the last step I'm going for. I already wiped down the whole car, but I'm going for the rims. So that's the way I like to do it. So I'll be right back. So I actually got a product for this. It's gonna be the Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Care, that type of stuff. Gonna go find the hose for you, but got my little rim cleaner as well. We out here. You gotta get your car nice and shiny. Always work from the top to the bottom. That's always the way I like to do it. So yeah, let's get the rims done to finish it off. First things first, give them bad boys a little spray down. Get that all that gunko that's sitting on there. Yeah, you see all that gunko coming off. Ugh, filthy. Alrighty. After that, I do highly recommend using a product if your rims get really dirty. You just want to give it a little spray down on there. There you go. Yeah, that's all you, man. That's all you. Ready? Now, I got these. Just want to give it a good old wipe down. I want to make sure you get all that crap. Like, look at all this gunko right there. Gone. That's why I highly recommend using a product, because it comes off really quick and really easy. You can even dip your little thing in some water if you want to do it that way. But yeah, it comes off real easy. It's gonna be how to wash a car. So yeah, no swirl marks, no nothing, no water spots, no damage from your other car wash. The how to wash a car at your house. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.